Good morning, class 8th. Today here we are going to continue with the second stanza. So far we saw that the poet is comparing his present to his beautiful past. And in the second stanza, he is remembering the beautiful, colorful days of his childhood. He says, I remember the roses red and white, the violets and the lily cups, those flowers made of light. He says that I still remember the flourishing garden of our house, where roses were full of bright red and white colors, and the violets were blooming, and the lily cups always shining, and those flowers were extremely beautiful. And those blessed flowers made my life colorful. My childhood days became very special because of these beautiful flowers that were blooming in my garden. So still, the sweet memories of beautiful garden and the beautiful roses, violets, lilies, flowers is fresh in the mind of the poet. Then he says, the lilac where the robin built. The lilacs where the robin built, and where my brother set the laburnum on his birthday, the tree is living yet. He says, among those shrubs, the robins built their nest. And there was a time, and to mark a very special day, that was the birthday of his brother, 8th birthday of his brother, that the occasion was marked by planting a beautiful small tree called laburnum. This small tree has hanging bunches of yellow flowers. Very bright color flowers are there in this tree. So we come to know that the poet and his brother both are nature loving. And we find that on the birthday of the poet's brother, the laburnum tree was planted in their garden. And the tree is living yet. This means the tree is still giving up. All the beautiful yellow flowers are still hanging as bunches on this tree. But it also means that his brother is no more alive. The tree is living yet tells us that something contrasting has happened, and it shows that his brother is dead, but the tree is alive. And because the poet's brother is dead, the poet has the feeling of decay in his heart. He feels sad about the death of his brother. So we find that as a grown-up person, he is worried, he is full of tensions, his life is full of, you can say, distress, but the old sweet memories of his childhood gives him pleasure. Thank you, students.